Hi, my name is John Gardner. I'm a design section leader of Power Products at Linear Technology. Today, I'm going to talk about the LT8650S, a dual-channel, step-down regulator using our second-generation Silent Switcher 2 technology. This product is a compact, integrated solution offering high-frequency operation while simultaneously providing good EMI performance and high output current. The LT8650S has two independent channels to provide two separate outputs from inputs up to 42 volts. The channels can each supply up to 4 amps of output current at the same time and up to 6 amps of current in pulsed load applications. A total of 8 amps can be supplied from the 4mm by 6mm package. External VC pins allow multiple parts to be paralleled to provide even more output power. The LT8650S supports burst mode operation requiring only 6.2 microamps to generate both outputs. It also has force continuous and spread spectrum modes. External compensation can be used to optimize transient response, or internal compensation can be used for simplicity. Meeting electromagnetic interference requirements is a significant challenge in automotive systems. The LT8650S has excellent EMI performance and can pass CISPR 25 Class 5 radiated emissions. Enabling spread spectrum mode spreads out the energy and further improves the EMI performance. EMI performance can be highly dependent on the board layout and type, often requiring multiple printed circuit board spins, which can be expensive and consume significant development time. Silent Switcher 2 helps solve this problem by being insensitive to layout variations, helping users achieve good EMI performance on their first board. The top image shows the LT8650S demo board in its standard configuration and the corresponding radiated EMI performance. The bottom image has ceramic input capacitors moved from alongside the IC to over an inch away. The EMI performance remains nearly unchanged despite the drastic change in the input configuration, demonstrating how Silent Switcher 2 significantly reduces PCB layout sensitivity. One way this is achieved is by integrating the hot loop capacitors inside the package in the Silent Switcher configuration. By keeping the high-frequency currents inside the package with its internal ground plane, the EMI performance can be impressive as well as layout insensitive. Another way the EMI performance of the LT8650S is achieved is by controlling the switching edges. Often this means slowing down the switching edges, which comes at the expense of efficiency, especially at high frequency. Not so with the LT8650S. Innovative driver design keeps the overshoot in the switch node very low, even at speeds approaching 10 volts per nanosecond, as seen in this scope shot. These fast switching edges enable peak efficiency above 90% up to 3 megahertz. The drop in efficiency is only a few points between 500 kilohertz and 3 megahertz operation, demonstrating the low switching losses. With the LT8650S and Silent Switcher 2 technology, both high efficiency at high frequency and good EMI performance can be achieved at the same time. High-frequency switching regulators are important to keep the total solution size small. High switching frequency allows high control loop bandwidth, which shrinks the required output capacitance. In the two-phase configuration, the LT8650S has less than 100 millivolts output voltage deviation in response to a 4-amp load step, with just 100 microfarads of output capacitance. As system power and complexity increases, voltage regulators will need to provide more output current at high switching frequencies to meet size, efficiency, and radiated emission requirements. The performance provided by the LT8650S and other Silent Switcher 2 regulators will help meet the goals of these demanding systems.